The job market is shifting due to automation and AI. The job market is shifting due to automation and AI.
Technology has significantly transformed modern education system. Technology has significantly transformed modern education system.
Students are encouraged to explore online learning platforms. Students are encouraged to explore online learning platforms.
Economic stability is essential for long-term national growth. Economic stability is essential for long-term national growth.
Many classrooms now use digital tools to enhance learning. Many classrooms now use digital tools to enhance learning.
Financial literacy should be taught at an early age. Financial literacy should be taught at an early age.
Online privacy has become a major concern in recent years. Online privacy has become a major concern in recent years.
Government policies affect both local and global economies. Government policies affect both local and global economies.
Coding skills are increasingly in demand across industries. Coding skills are increasingly in demand across industries.
The internet has revolutionized the way we communicate. The internet has revolutionized the way we communicate.
Entrepreneurship is driving innovation in many sectors. Entrepreneurship is driving innovation in many sectors.
Cloud computing allows access to data from anywhere. Cloud computing allows access to data from anywhere.
Market trends influence business decisions significantly. Market trends influence business decisions significantly.
Ebooks are a popular alternative to printed textbooks. Ebooks are a popular alternative to printed textbooks.
Students can access lecture recordings through the university portal. Students can access lecture recordings through the university portal.